Hello, in front of me I've got Mercedes EQA. In this video I'll show you how to use Easy Access. Thanks to the Easy Access, you can unlock and start the car with the key in your bag or pocket. Take a look how it works. As you can see, the car is locked with the side rear mirrors closed and closed doors. Let's keep the key fob in my pocket, and now place your hand over the handle. Car will unlock. Now you can access the car. You can also sit down and press start button to start driving. To close the car now, leave the car. As you go back through some distance, the car should lock itself, but you can also lock it via key. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.